Everybody, it's your girl Allie, and today I'm showing you how to check your oil. So the first thing you gotta do is take your stick out, and you see there, you can look at the end of this, these two little dots that you see, there's a dot and there's a dot. And that's telling me that my oil is almost out. I had this error message that came up in the car that said low engine oil. Golly. So I'm wiping this thing off, and I just went into the QuickTrip, which you can see right there. I bought oil. So I bought two little things of oil. So while Ellen is showing you that, I'm going to get the oil out of the car. Okay, so yours truly stays ready. I have a neat little funnel. If you don't have a funnel, you need to buy one. You can get these at Walmart. And I bought some Pennzoil oil. My car uses 5W30, so that's what I got. And I'm gonna put this in. So this is how, pretty simple process. And my car does have a lot of miles on it now, so it's starting to use oil. But guess what? It's paid for. So, and I love my little car, so I'm taking good care of it. And if you notice, it does say high mileage, 5W30 Pennzoil. So here we go. I'm going to put 2 quarts of oil in, and that should be enough. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. You are watching Allie's View. Also, be sure to like this video. Be sure to give us a thumbs up. Be sure to like this video. You see how girls are able to do all kinds of things? We can check our air pressure. We can put oil in the car. We can do all kinds of things. So then you want to make sure you secure the top. Put that back on. If you notice, I got gloves here. My hand. So I'm going to take this trash right now. Put it in the trash can. And we're gonna go check. So we're taking it out right now, but we're gonna put it back in real quick, just to make sure. I didn't realize my oil was as low as what you saw initially. Everyone drives your car when it gets that low, by the way. Okay, so here we go. We're taking it out. Now remember, I told you you want to make sure that your oil is between those 2 dots, between that dot and that dot. So there you go. All right. So I'm putting this back in. And that is how you check your oil and how to put oil in. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you as a member of the Allie's View family. That's how you check the oil.